The proposed US financial force by me, and also the US digital force and the US cyber force already existing, and the US space force, because US space force can access the Google Maps and know the location of a person on planet Earth based on the the GPS constellation of satellites, and the US cyber force can access a person through the the YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and the similar platforms, to give people like inspiration and entertainment and inspiration as needed, the right advice at the right time. And the proposed US the digital force can focus on providing online jobs to the people around the world through the internet. That must be the focus of the US digital force, to give them the support to stand up using the US own cyber force own internet, and then to make a living out of it. And then the US financial force could make use of the credit cards and PayPal, and then give the inspiration to be prominent with the proper incentives and support as they monitor people throughout the world using US Space Force GPS constellation of satellites, and US Cyber Force social media apps, and US the digital force cyber digital jobs on internet, and US financial force financial incentives schemes, and other one is the US those five together. So this way, I think once you transform a person, from a far distant US in anywhere in the globe, that gives a lot of inspiration, and you can accordingly measure the mental state of the person based on his or actions activities on the cyber social media. Now, using the US Space Force, US Cyber Force, the US Digital Force, US Financial Force, the US Strategic Force can, and also, bring them up in strategic level to, to make their mind state of mind, their mind state to a proper level, because that is the initial stage that need to be created in order to to proceed with the human teleportation. It is the mind state that is needed first. The state of mind must be within the control of the person. To do that for a person, it's needed to to use Space Force to know the location of the person and track that person appropriately, to make sure that person won't get into trouble, but based on a principle way, do the life, by tracking on the Google Maps by US Space Force. So US Cyber Force can provide entertainment on social media while measuring the person's state of mind based on his or own inputs to the social media. And then the US Digital Force can look into the income support, and US Financial Force can give incentive schemes like credit card support and the loan schemes, etc. And thereafter, using this combined approach, the US Strategic Force can prepare the person's state of mind on a certain focused way. Then that is the only first step needed to proceed with the human teleportation. First of all, the state of mind must be properly made, in a stable way. For that, these four is needed in a combined way for that purpose. Then after that mind state is established, state of mind, you can go to the next step, that is human teleportation.